That's the exhaust. I had to cut the hole a little bit bigger, it didn't fit. Just tying in these wires. That's the circuit board. There's that terminal and that terminal. That's all it is for the Propax heater. Heat source. What's gonna happen there is I'm gonna have like slats going across here. Tops on there, and that'll look cool. But yeah, that fits my back perfect when it's on the chair over there. I did some mounts here. I was gonna do like white caps on there, but I don't think I'm gonna. I cut that hole, I'm gonna set that in there, and then that's gonna blow out right in between your feet. Not bad, eh? There's my heater down there. It's really hard to see, it's very hidden. Nameplate for the van. So I'm gonna put the lacquer that I made, and that's gonna go right there. Got 2-part epoxy on the back, I think that's gonna get her. So, there we go. The isolation valve is a little bit further away than I would like it to be, but it's working out. What do we got? We're running water line. Okay, day 2. A little bit hungover, partied pretty hard last night. It's just gonna be the control panel. So this is the raw portion of it. This essentially just goes in here. Ooh, there we go. Like that. This is taking me way longer than I thought. Okay, so we got propane tank. There's gonna be an enclosure in here. That's gonna sit there. That's where the water tank's gonna be. And my propane heater is down there. So I got come out of there, out of that little fitting into this guy. And then this goes right into there. So I gotta build this enclosure and mount this T. Pretty easy stuff. Propane tank box. Alright. Propane box. Not bad. Perfect fit. This is a big deal. We are gonna fill this thing just like this. And you can feel air coming out there, which means stuff's going in. A pretty tough decision, but I had to cut a hole in my partition wall. And we'll be putting switches on the other side. Should be out of the way. I think it'll be fine. Switch housing. Let's just see what happens when I turn this on. Oh. Look at that. Shuts off. Ooh, good flow too. Pretty good flow. Impressive. I am very stoked on this. So I've been going to Home Hardware a lot. So shout out to Home Hardware. Dave and Stacy and Rob and Sarah. What an experience. I'm going to use some of this wood, and I think I'm going to try and like incorporate that into the shelf. Speaker's going to go there, that'll be a big open hole. I'm going to put a one board over top of there, that'll be the top shelf. And now we're just screwing the holes. See how this is going to go. Kind of something like that. this kind of stuff. It allows me to let a little bit of my creativity come through, and at my job right now, it doesn't happen that often. So this stuff is actually pretty fun.